In the shadows where the silence lies, a voice calls out, breaking through the skies. Meet the night, he wears a hopeful smile. No.5, he strolls through the aisles. With a palette of dreams, he paints the night. The Visionweaver, he's our guiding light. With every stroke, he whispers the truth, polishing the soul of every fleeting youth. LanaCoin night, No.5. You light a fire, help us feel alive. Where logic fails, art wakes the heart. With your creativity, you connect and impart. Through color and sound, you strum the strings. In the rhythm of life, a new hope sings. Movement in the air, symbols on the ground. In your healing presence, love is found. Shattering the darkness with a heartfelt spark, you turn the mundane into a work of art. LanaCoin night, No.5. You light a fire, help us feel alive. Where logic fails, art wakes the heart. With your creativity, you connect and impart. Oh, the artist is no decoration, you see. He's a flame igniting the spirits to be free. In every heartbeat, in every sigh, his visions of a new world begin to fly. And as we gather under the stars above, we weave together through the threads of love. Every